Hey guys, so today we are going to be putting the gas struts in the Toyota Camry, the bonnet gas struts, because I'm sick of using my head or a broom as a way to hold the bonnet up while I'm working on it, on the engine. So yeah, hopefully the last time we've got to use a broom. I ain't using my head. I'm gonna put this not there. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, I've never done one of these sorts of videos before, so this is all new to me. But this is the gas strut for the bonnet. I've never had them. I've never experienced what it's like to pull the bonnet up and it hold itself. So I'm actually not even sure if these gas struts will fit, the ones that I've got. But according to eBay, it will. So I guess we'll find out. Alright, so they came pretty well packaged. I'm quite happy. Straight off the bat, by the looks of them. Oh man, how embarrassing would that be if it didn't fit? Oh no, it looks alright. So from what I heard on the video, a video I watched, but didn't really show you the disassembling of this, 12mm will do the trick. So I'm going to try and be a little different and give you a better angle of what you came to see. Let's try that. I'd be so sad if this just completely falls for whatever reason. Wrecks the phone and my ego. Should be fine because they're not really doing anything. It's not finger loose yet. Oop. Stand corrected. That should be good to come out. I think this is meant to twist. If you twist it like okay, not really sure what I'm doing here. It looks like we need a spanner. Just a heads up. It's a 12mm. Alright, found a 12. And for those of you that don't know, hold up. For those of you that don't know, 12mm is also the size for your Toyota Camry oil sump. Sorry, not your sump, your oil pan plug. So, just in case you didn't know. Alright. So I'm going to try and get this out now. Oh, there goes the broom. Okay, so we've got that loose, and that is out. And that is our gas strut for our Toyota Camry. Out with the old, in with the new. So basically, as with anything, it's just going to be the reverse of the removal. If you can see, this here is where this little guy is going to hook into. Like so. Hang on a sec. Actually might be the wrong one. Because I think that's meant to come up. Nope, that's the right one. So yeah, as you can see, that just goes on. Hang on a sec, let me get a better angle for the people that are like, I can't even see it. That's fair enough. So yeah, we just need to line that up. That needs to sit in there. We just need to line that up with where the thread's gonna go in from the original. And and then we're just going to put that in there. But I'm going to say that we should follow the order of things, and since this was undone first, it should be done up last. So with this, hold the boot to do this. I want the thread to cross. I want the thread. So I want the thread by taking an angle. So if I just really pressure, just stick cycle this in. So all the bottom pins pick up. Just make sure they're not aligned. I'm not too comfortable letting the whole bonnet rest on just this one strut. We're gonna get it tight. Careful not to strip it. Okay. So that's the first side done. We've got the sunset coming down, and now I get to do this side correctly. So, make sure everything's out of the way. Oh my gosh. Oh, it feels unnatural. What? No. You don't know how much I've been wanting to hear that noise. Oh boy. I have a car that has an actual working gas strut. I mean, listen to this. Listen to it. No, actually, listen to it. Ready? Oh. ASMR. Camry ASMR. Oh. Okay, I hope you appreciated this installation video, my first. It was fun. I think I'm gonna have to practice my methods before actually showing them on video, but it was good to show you what it actually looks like to go through this process, and that it's okay to not know what the hell you're doing, because that is the point of not paying someone else to do it for you, is that you learn how to do it yourself. Now I know how to do it with this car. Every car's going to be a little bit different, same mechanics, just different positions and yada yada. Same thing, it's easy. I looked at a YouTube video for like 10 seconds, read a comment that said, well, thanks, you didn't even show me the installation, you just said that you were going to do it, and then showed us the aftermath. This is the installation. And I didn't know how to do it because he doesn't show you on that video. So that's not saying much because it's just gas struts, but that's just to prove, do it yourself, don't pay a mechanic $100 to do this. I paid $40 for the gas struts on eBay, and then installation was absolutely free. And you guys got to get a kick out of it. So yeah. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this hood liner or bonnet liner, because it's bad. As you can see, the rats got into it. We had some pretty bad rats early spring this year, just getting everywhere, rats, mice, and they actually made a nest with this stuff, and they patted it around the rocker cover on top of the heat shield. So yeah, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching.